collect and save information with AgilityPortal's forms. The form is part of AgilityPortal's suite of tools in your portal. It's easy to use and is one of the simplest ways to collect data and automatically save it to a spreadsheet. You can share a form with portal members or make it accessible to the public. You can also embed forms in various different places in the portal, including custom tabs. Let's get started. To create a form, click on the menu in the upper right corner and select the Create Form option. Next, click on Drag and drop elements that you need to build the form and enter the required field names and options. Now enter the title, description, and some tags. Select the appropriate category. Now select the responsible person to receive the responses. Enter a start date and an end date. After that, select Mark as public. Lastly, enable electronic signature if required. Once you're done, hit Save. Here are the end results. The participant can sign the form here and submit it. And when it's submitted, the responsible person will receive an email for all the submissions for this particular form. We hope you enjoyed this brief demonstration of AgilityPortal's form creation capabilities.